Determine whether the lines are the same, parallel, perpendicular, both parallel and perpendicular, or none of these. So our two equations are 2x minus 5y equals negative 8 and 6 minus 2x equals negative 5y. So to begin, let's get both of these equations into slope-intercept form. So as a reminder, slope-intercept form is y equals mx plus b. So with our first equation, we have 2x minus 5y equals negative 8. So we want y by itself on the left side, so let's begin by subtracting a 2x from each side. So we're left with negative 5y equals a negative 2x minus 8. Now to get y by itself, since we're multiplying by a negative 5, we want to divide each side by a negative 5. And we're left with y equals a positive 2/5 x plus 8/5. And we now have this equation in slope-intercept form. So let's go to the next equation of 6 minus 2x equals a negative 5y. So again, to get y by itself, we want to divide by negative 5. So we're left with negative 6/5 plus 2/5 x equals y. However, we want to write it in slope-intercept form, so that would be, to rearrange this equation, y equals 2/5 x minus 6/5. Now, when determining if two equations of the lines are parallel or perpendicular, you always want to be looking at m, or the slope of the line. So in our first equation, our m, or the slope of the line, is a positive 2/5. And looking down at the second equation, we also have a slope of positive 2/5. So we know that the lines must either be the same line because they have the same slope, or they must be parallel. So the next thing we need to look at are the y-intercepts, or the b part of the equation. So in the first equation, we have a positive 8/5 as the y-intercept. However, down in the second equation, we see that we have a negative 6/5. Therefore, we know that the lines are not exactly the same, however, they have the same slope. So those lines would have to be parallel lines, B.